Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy at home without a machine. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You'll also need a few drops of food coloring and your preferred flavoring extract. Next, prepare your workspace by covering a clean, dry surface with parchment paper to catch the delicate sugar strands. Now combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Once it starts boiling, stop stirring completely. Continue cooking until the syrup reaches exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius, using a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for the right consistency. Once your syrup reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. It needs to be thick enough to cling to your utensil but still pliable. Dip a whisk or a fork into the slightly cooled, thick syrup. Then, quickly flick the syrup back and forth over the prepared parchment paper, creating fine, hair-like sugar strands. As the sugar strands accumulate, gently gather them into fluffy, sweet clouds. You can use your hands, wearing gloves if you prefer, to shape them into traditional cotton candy cones, or simply enjoy them as a delightful pile. Serve your homemade cotton candy immediately for the best texture and flavor. It's a fun, unique treat. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.